Alright, let's see if this damn thing works. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see what happens. Oh, wait, okay. Okay, we got a menu.list or grub menu. See if it boots. Looking good so far. Sorry about the resolution. It's cooking. I think it's up, but the tail end at the very bottom here. There we go. Okay. What am I called? I'm called root, I think. I can't see because resolution is off in the password. Shit. Say root. Enter. Password. Okay. Just what I expected. Same, everything. Just what I expected. What our last 4 LFS versions. I think it has something to do with shadow or something. I'm not doing something right. Or maybe it's just whatever. If anybody's having problems with this too, let me know. Okay? And let me know how you fixed it. But this is a fix that can be done. I gotta CH root back in from a live CD. Well, not really. From my host OS. Okay. I'm gonna do this here. Control Alt. If I say Control, I can't say Control Alt Delete from here, can I? Yeah, I can. Control Alt Delete. That did nothing. Shit, I need 2 hands. Okay. Let me reboot the machine. I'll be right back.